All right, what's up, guys? Starting again today, Monday Dash. First order we got is from P-Manioli's, $12.50 order, 5 miles. We're about to go get it right now. I want to give y'all some tips today too. Just in general, make sure you like presentable. You know what I mean? Don't be going out there with a raggedy old shirt on, raggedy pants, flip-flops. Do not dash in flip-flops or slippers. Make yourself look presentable. You wouldn't want to see a old beat-up looking person come drop off your food. And plus, that'll like encourage the customer, if they see you, to leave you a worse rating, just based on how you look. So just try to do your hair. You don't gotta be out here suit and tie or in a dress for the ladies. But yeah, just be presentable. We're still making our way.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces.
Should be there in just a moment. Another thing I would recommend while dashing, don't speed at all. I've never gotten a ticket while dashing, but if you were to get one, it will basically wipe out your whole earnings for the week. So just drive responsibly, go the speed limit, under the speed limit. It's no rush really. Plus driving slower gives you a little bit better in gas mileage. You're not flooring it all the time. And yeah, just be responsible. We have made it here to P-Manioli's. I don't know if you can see. It's backwards, but I've only been here like one time, so we'll see how long it takes. This man, the John Deere. On the John. Alright guys, we got the order. We're headed to the customer's house right now. They say in the app to leave the pizza, but we don't have a pizza. I'm pretty sure he just left in the same instructions for last time by accident. But yeah, we're headed to our destination right now. Should be there in just a moment. Another tip I have for y'all is to just always be kind to the customer and to the people at the restaurant. You never know when you might be rolling around back to the same person or the same restaurant. If you're nice to them, they'll remember you. Then I guess be nice to you back. Reward you for your kindness. Not that you should be looking for a reward, but people remember you if you're kind. And yeah, also if you get into scuffles all the time, the merchant could report you, the restaurant you're picking up from. So always be kind. Just be a good person. One time I had an incident at this restaurant. They wanted me to come back and deliver something else because they forgot to put some things in the bag. And you know, with all this COVID-19 going on, we can't check the bag anymore. So they wanted me to come back, re-deliver this other item to the customer. And I was like, no, I can't do that. One, because they're not paying me and it's not my job to look in the bag during this time. And they threatened. The guy was threatening to like, oh, I'll report you. I was like, you do what you want, sir. I've done my job. I did my part, delivered it, took my picture. All that other stuff is your responsibility. And look at me, still dashing. So yeah, if you ever have to get into like a little scuffle, just blow it off. Remove yourself from that situation. Whether that's undersign or hang up, I don't know. If there's a customer complaining, just remove yourself from that immediately. So, we just dropped that one off. Easy and quick. We got to take the interstate. Well, the highway. Currently waiting on our next order. It's starting to rain again today. I do not see any rain in the forecast because I didn't watch the forecast, so I had no idea.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
But we are currently waiting on our next order. Pulling up at the gas station, get some gas real fast. Haven't gotten an order. I like to keep my car past half. I usually don't let it dip below that. I feel like that's a good tip. Don't let your car dip below halfway. That way, if you need to go, you can. Whether that's if there's a sudden peak pay or something, or if you know there's an emergency, or if you just want to go hang out with someone. Always keep that car full past half. I really just ripped the glove, y'all. Trying to be safe. And I'm ripping my safety equipment. Got one now. 10:38 today. Not bad, not bad. The timing. As soon as we get back in the car, we get an order for Chick-fil-A. 11:50. We're going to get it now. But this is one of the Chick-fil-A's where you have to go through the drive-thru, and Chick-fil-A is always busy. So this one might take a little while, but it's only 4 miles. It's gonna take me about 2 miles to get there, so 2 miles on delivery. So we're headed there now. We have made it to Chick-fil-A. This person only wants a salad. Never seen anyone go to Chick-fil-A for a salad. But hey, I'm here to deliver. I'll let you know when we're on the way. Hey guys, I'm back here. We had an order from Mooyah. Forgot how much it was. I forgot to record because it was raining super hard. And that's just not safe to record and drive. Completed that one. Now we're on a Jason's Deli order for $10.50. Just picked it up. Jason's Deli has a curbside thing. You just drive on through and they basically throw the bag through the window. They're so fast. But we're headed to the customer's house right now, and I'll let y'all know when we're there. Just finished that Jason's Deli delivery. Made it to another apartment complex. Sometimes people are not ready when you get to the gate to like click once you put the number in. So this is why I say always text the customer when you're close so they can be ready. I did that. I forgot to text them. I forgot my own tip. And no one answered. As soon as I text them and try it again, they answered. So always text your customer and let her know you're close. All right, we're gonna drive back to the area where it's busy. I don't know, I'm kind of hungry. I might just go home. Depending on that order size number, we'll see if we need to continue or not. Didn't even get a chance to pull out. We just got another order from Chick-fil-A right around the corner. 850, 2.5 miles. That's a no-brainer. We're taking that. Right now, Chick-fil-A shouldn't be as busy as it usually is. It's about 2:30 right now. Hopefully we can be in and out. I'll let y'all know. So we've been in and out of Chick-fil-A. We got to go into this one. Got to avoid that drive-thru line altogether. So we saved a lot of minutes. We're headed to our customer's home right now, and I'll let y'all know when we get it done. So, thought the delivery was at Walmart. Turns out it's at the gas station in front of it. Murphy, USA. For about 10 seconds. Didn't see anyone inside the gas station. No cashiers anyway, or anything. But it turns out the customer was like tucked away in the corner. But eventually found her. We're gonna go home because I'm hungry. I'll see y'all at dinner. We're going to Wendy's, y'all. $11.50 order. We're back for the dinner shift. So we're going to get it. It's a red card order. At Wendy's, you gotta order the food and pay for it with your red card. So we're right there now. Thank you. Just picked up the order. Going to the customer's house right now. That was the quickest I've ever had an order at Wendy's. I'm super happy about that. Let's get this one done. A lot less cars than usual since everything's been starting to open back up. That Wendy's order. Again, somebody else had to leave it at the door and then they come outside. That'll still make me a little nervous, but we did it. Currently waiting on another order and driving out of this apartment and gated condo community. Just got our next order. Pizza at Little Caesars for $10.15 for 3 miles. We are getting a lot of short ones for this dinner shift. The last one from Wendy's is 3 miles. Now this one's from Little Caesars. It's 3 miles. I'll let y'all know when we get it. And we're gone. Doordash, 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 Doordash. I do this because it gives you a lot of freedom. Like, a lot of freedom. Like, you don't have to work if you want to. I used to be a gigging musician before all this COVID-19 started. But right now, there's still not too many gigs. And plus, I don't want to be playing for a bunch of people right now anyway. That's still very scary and I guess dangerous right now. Yeah, so this gives me, something to do, and it allows me to still, make videos, make music in my little home studio I have. Yeah, DoorDash gives me the freedom to do all that. That's why I've had to learn the tricks and trades on how to maximize the money I'm able to make. Thankful that I live in an era where I can download an app and get a job. It's gigging. Still gigging. Just for food now. We have made it. Back now. We got the pizza. 5 minutes away. Another quick one. We gonna get this one done and try to get on to the next one. 2 miles away. We're going now. Just finished that Little Caesars delivery. Kinda sketchy. to put it inside of his grill around back. The person is currently not here. We did it. We did that for him. I took my picture, so we're good. And currently waiting on the next one. Just got our next order. $11.50. 2 miles at Los Reyes Mexican Grill. This is the place where the guy got angry at me for not wanting to come back and re-deliver food that they messed up on. He couldn't remember my face because I went there literally the next day, and nothing happened. He still doesn't know it was me that he called. So we are here, pulled up to Los Reyes. We just got another order at Smoothie King for extra long for $10 whole. That's automatic accept. Yeah, so we're gonna run in and get this Los Reyes order. They usually take a little while. Then we're going to mosey on over to Smoothie King. I'm thinking, should I go to Smoothie King first? And then... Nah, I'm already at Los Reyes. I'm gonna snag this one first. That wasn't too bad. 3-minute wait. Wasn't too bad. Getting in the car now to head to Smoothie King. I'm glad I didn't go there first because it looks like both of the deliveries are in that direction. Yeah, so that'd have been like a double trip this way for no reason. So, get some hand sanding. And I'll let y'all know when we get there. Oh, and also let me get a total. So that brings us up to $22. Little drive here. Headed that way now. Alright, the smoothies were already ready. We're going to make our first drop off 2 miles away for $11.50. So I'll let you know when we're there. Alright, so y'all, that Smoothie King and Los Reyes was at the same house. Didn't even have to go to another location. Looks like this guy and his wife, they both ordered at the same time. Unknowingly, I don't know. But that's $22 for us. That brings up to about $95 on the day so far. If we could get one more, we're gonna call it quits. That means I reached my goal. Try to go for $100 a day. Aww.